Okay.
So this
What we
is
got here?
pesto made with the ramp tops, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and pistachio nuts.
Oh, and what do you, it tastes like garlic. And what are you serving it with?
These are homemade crackers with sea salt on them and whole wheat. And some
Did you make
spices
those
on top.
crackers?
Margaret did. So let's try with some pesto.
Okay.
So I got some pesto here if it would tide anybody over. It's very oniony.
Okay.
Oh,
And these are homemade crackers that Margaret just made.
Maureen, what are you doing? What have you got?
I am making a frittata.
Okay.
We harvested the ramps, and we have mushrooms, and we have some fresh harvested nettles that we're going to boil first to get the sting out of them,
Okay.
and some of Margaret's fabulous homegrown sausage.
Is it in this packet?
Yes,
They did it with a bread
and the
machine.
fiddlehead,
I don't
and their,
have a
and
bread
their
machine,
eggs.
so
Yeah,
I
the
did it in
fiddleheads
my
aren't going to go in the
mixer.
frittata now.
Oh,
And I
okay.
needed it in my mixer.
The eggs will go in, and
So.
I don't know where my eggs went. Oh, here they are.
Oh, okay. How many eggs are you using?
Dozen eggs. Okay. Yep. Should put a little salt and pepper in it. And so I'm gonna just saute all the veggies, and we're gonna dump in the eggs, and then we're gonna kind of loosen it around the edge, and then we're gonna shove it in the oven to bake.
Yeah, what temperature?
375 to 400.
For how long?
Do you need the
That's a good question. How long? See, I usually do mine on the stove top. I'm gonna say 20.
Yeah, I have like 30 minutes or
Okay.
so. you
Yeah.
know.
So we'll say 25.
Okay.
Yeah.
Margaret, what are you doing?
I am just taking some of the woodier ends off from these nettles that I'm handling with my bare hands. So,
And what are you making with them?
and we are going to be putting these into our frittata, just like you would actually
Oh, okay.
be putting spinach in.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Yes. Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Now, what did you cut up? Who you?
This is
There you go.
Japanese knotweed, about 2 cups or 4 cups, I mean, and then another 4 cups of the strawberry, roughly.
Okay.
And maybe there's a little bit more knotweed.
Do we have any knotweed like to look at that looks
We
like
do.
holes?
We do. It's right here. This is knotweed.
Oh, perfect. And do you use the leaves that are on it, or
No,
just the
I
stem?
cut it up to just about there. I basically I took the leaves off there.
Perfect.
It was so tender I didn't need to scrape the outside, so I just chopped it up.
Excellent. Okay.
We can make some more. We got